Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling something that literally every single one of us has to deal with, but let's be honest, absolutely nobody enjoys it: managing utility bills. Between the demands of work, family, and just everyday life, the cognitive load of trying to remember what's due and exactly when it's due is completely overwhelming. And frankly, it's a bit soul-crushing. But today, we're going to look at how to put your Entergy bill on absolute autopilot. If you're looking for the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it solution to reclaim your time and simplify your financial management, you are in the exact right place.
Let me ask you, are you just completely tired of manual bill payments? I mean, think about that monthly grind for a second. You've got the sheer anxiety of suddenly realizing you might have missed a due date. You've got the incredibly outdated annoyance of having to go buy stamps and hunt down a fresh envelope. Or if you pay online, you have that repetitive chore of logging into a portal every single month, trying to remember yet another password just to click pay. And let's not even talk about those frustrating late fees or the dreaded threat of a service disconnection just because life got a little busy and a bill slipped your mind. It's essentially a tax on being busy.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our quick roadmap for the explainer. First, we'll cover why Autopay makes sense. Then look at the security foundation. After that, we'll do a complete setup walkthrough, cover some troubleshooting, and finish up with a few best practices.
Section 1. Why Autopay?
It's really important to validate those frustrations we all feel with manual billing, because manual payments are honestly a thing in the past. The Entergy Autopay program is designed to be this empowering, time-saving solution that completely removes the friction from your monthly budget routine. On one side, you have the old, manual way, buying postage, writing out checks, or risking late fees if you simply forget. On the other side, you have automated drafts directly from your account. And here's a massive detail. While paying by credit card through third-party vendors usually comes with a $2.95 fee, setting up a bank draft directly through Entergy costs you exactly $0 in transaction fees.
The source material clearly highlights three major life-changing benefits here. First, it's worry-free. You pay your bill on the due date each month with ever stressing about a late fee again. Second, it relies on automatic deductions, so the money drafts directly and securely from your designated bank account. And third, you avoid fees. There are absolutely $0 transaction fees when you use a checking or savings bank draft for this program. It's just pure peace of mind, saving you both time and money.
Section 2. Security Foundation. Before we start inputting sensitive financial data into any digital system, it's perfectly natural and, honestly, just really smart to wonder about security. Let's bust a few common myths and look at exactly how your information is protected before you even type a single number. Entergy's My Entergy system actually operates on a highly robust security foundation. To even get started, they require primary contact information, which means a valid email address and a mobile number. And when you register, the system doesn't just let anyone in. It triggers a secure, automated email containing an activation token to verify it's actually you. From there, you're required to configure a highly secure alphanumeric password. So your financial data isn't just floating out there. It's locked tight behind these stringent, multi-layered validation protocols to keep your identity and your bank accounts incredibly safe.
Section 3. Setup walkthrough.
Now, what's really interesting here is that Entergy offers multiple free ways to enroll, totally depending on your tech comfort level. The My Entergy web portal takes 24 to 72 hours to process and supports checking and savings accounts. If you're more of a phone person, you can call a specialized line, 1-833-442-7583, that actually bypasses the usual annoying menus and connects you directly to a live operator for real-time setup. Or if you're a bit more old school, you can use a physical mail-in form, which does take about 7 to 10 days to process. And remember, all these primary methods have a $0 fee for bank drafts.
And this brilliantly illustrates that before you can set up Autopay digitally, you absolutely must register for a My Entergy account. To do this, you'll need two crucial pieces of information from a recent physical paper bill: your Entergy account number and your service location zip code. So go ahead and grab a paper bill to have it handy before you even sit down at your computer.
Once you've got your account registered, here is your exact digital pathway. Step 1. Log in to My Entergy. Step 2. Look up at the top menu navigation bar and select Billing and Payments. Step 3. Under that Billing Options menu, choose the Autopay program option. Step 4. Click the button that says Start Autopay, which is going to launch an electronic form. And Step 5. You'll simply enter your banking details and accept the terms and conditions. It's a very clean, straightforward, and user-friendly digital process that literally takes just a couple of minutes to complete.
During that setup process, you are going to be asked for an RTN, or Routing Transit Number.
If you're a beginner to electronic banking, please don't let this alphabet soup confuse you. This is simply a 9-digit number that acts like a fingerprint. It identifies your specific bank or financial institution to the Entergy system. You can usually find it sitting right there at the bottom left of a personal paper check, right next to your checking or savings account number. Both that routing number and your account number are absolutely crucial for linking your bank securely to their billing system.
Now, for those of you who prefer the traditional paper route, you can definitely use the mail-in option. But listen, you must be extremely precise. You have to use the exact name of the account owner as it appears on your Entergy billing records. Provide the corresponding Entergy account number, and make sure you use black or blue ink. You also have to check the box for your specific regional Entergy affiliate, like Entergy Arkansas, Entergy Louisiana, or Entergy Mississippi. And most importantly, you absolutely must attach a voided check with the account owner's name printed on it to verify those banking details.
Okay, here is a really important heads up for your very first month. Activation of the Autopay program can actually take up to 60 days to fully take effect. You will know the system is actively working when you look at your utility bill and you see the words "Do not pay" printed right on it. Until you see those exact magic words, you have to continue paying your bill manually. Also, keep in mind that Entergy might process the draft up to 4 business days before the actual due date to ensure it's paid on time, so make double sure those funds are available in your bank account early.
Section 4. Troubleshooting.
Let's be real. Even with the best, most secure systems on the planet, sometimes things go wrong. Passwords get forgotten, accounts get locked. If you get locked out of your My Entergy account, don't panic. First, simply click the "I need help signing in" link on the login page and go check your email for the secure reset link. But if you're still stuck or you never got the email and you just desperately need to talk to a human being, call customer service at 1-800-ENTERGY. To navigate their automated phone menu super fast, press 5, then 1, and then 1 again. That is your precise inside shortcut to reach the support you need.
So, the crucial point here is that you must ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account. According to their terms and conditions, if your payment fails to clear due to insufficient funds, or honestly for any other reason, on 2 occasions within a 12-month period, Entergy is going to automatically disenroll you from the Autopay service. And it gets worse. No electronic payments or checks will be accepted from you for an entire 12-month period. It's a remarkably severe penalty that effectively forces you back to cash or money orders. So please, manage those balances carefully.
Let's move to our final section and see how this all builds together. Section 5. Best Practices.
Now that you're totally set up and aware of the potential pitfalls, here are our final tips for maintaining a smooth, ongoing experience. To keep your Autopay running flawlessly, make it a solid habit to check your bank balances at least 4 days before your due date, since, as we discussed, those drafts can process early. Secondly, if you happen to change your email address, update it immediately in the Log On and Security section of My Entergy so you don't miss important billing notifications or low balance alerts. Finally, remember you are always in control. You can suspend or cancel the service at any time. Just note that simply deleting your bank info online doesn't actually cancel the program. You must specifically click Cancel Autopay in the portal or call 1-800-ENERGY to officially disenroll.
Just a quick mandatory note before we wrap this all up. This explainer is for informational purposes only and is entirely based on the source materials provided by the utility. Please consult Entergy directly or a qualified financial professional for specific advice regarding your personal account, billing situations, or any unique financial circumstances you might have.
We've covered the why, the how, and the what-ifs. You now have the complete step-by-step roadmap to set up a robust, automated financial safety net for your utilities. But here's the real question you need to ask yourself right now. How many more hours of your life are you willing to surrender to the repetitive, outdated chore of paying bills manually? Go grab your account number, log in, and automate this today. Reclaim your time because your energy is better spent on literally anything else. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and here is to a much more automated, hassle-free life.